In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe PDF Editor for free. Whether you're using PDFs for work, school, or personal projects, having the right tools to edit them can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and easy for you. To start, let's assume that you've already downloaded the Adobe PDF Editor file. If you haven't done so yet, you'll need to visit the official website and download the latest version available. Make sure you choose a reputable source to ensure your download is safe and free from any unwanted software. Now that you have the PDF editor file on your computer, the next step is to locate the downloaded file. Typically, when a file is downloaded, it can be found in your computer's Downloads folder. You might have saved it in a different location, so if it's not in the Downloads folder, try checking other folders where it might be. You could even use the search function on your operating system by typing the name of the file. Once you've successfully located the setup file, it's time to run it to begin the installation process. Double-click on the file to open it. This will prompt your system to start loading the installer, and you may see a security or confirmation pop up, especially on Windows or Mac systems, ensuring that you want to open this file. These security checks are routine and are put in place to protect your computer. With an Adobe file, you can pretty well be assured of its safety, so definitely go ahead and allow the installation when prompted. The installer will guide you through the installation process with a series of steps. Pay close attention to each screen, as you might be asked to agree to terms and conditions or choose an installation directory. If you're ever unsure about what to choose, selecting the default options is usually safe. As you proceed, make sure your computer is plugged into a power source if you're on a laptop. It's always a good practice to ensure your device won't run out of battery during installations. Once these steps are complete, you can sit back and watch the progress bar as the PDF editor is installed on your system. Installation times can vary depending on the speed of your computer, but this process should typically take just a few minutes. After the installation is complete, you might need to restart your computer to ensure all components function correctly. If prompted to do this, go right ahead. And there you have it. You should now have the Adobe PDF editor installed and ready to use. Explore the tools it offers and enjoy the flexibility of editing PDF documents to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me in this installation guide, and I hope you find your new tools helpful.